Dragons and Nomads, Merry Chrysler, Happy Holidays, whatever it is you celebrate. Today we're looking at Spencer's perspective, his footage from Saturday the 7th. This is going to be a little bit strange because he doesn't have every single clip recorded. His camera kind of cut in and out in certain parts, but we're going to make do with what we got. And unfortunately, Viola was closed due to the weather, so I am not going to be having gameplay from House of Welts. I promise I will go out there eventually. However, after this video, starting 2025, we're going to kick into Nashville, so stay tuned for that.
What the fuck is wrong with this thing, man?
I don't know if you guys have noticed this or not, but I feel like every time that I try to showcase Spencer's footage on the channel, for some reason all of his guns are just malfunctioning. Now, the other weird thing about Spencer's footage is that I can see he's shooting at a lot of targets, but because it's a pistol without a run cam, I can't tell if he's hitting some of those targets. He does eventually use his mod too, so hopefully it won't be an issue moving forward.
Really? Shit. All the way across. Hey! I'm gonna go fucking change, there's no way.
And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why I don't fuck with gas mags. All in all, Spencer did not have a lot of footage recorded for this game. I don't want to bore you guys with him standing around waiting for enemies, so once again, I cut out the clips where he's killing people. There was a death included in there, as well as him messing with his magazines and stuff like that, but we're going to move into the next game. Just want to give mad props to this guy because playing dead after he gets hit is hilarious.
Oh. Hey, nice one. That was a close call. Whew. My nipple lives another day. Let's get hot in the fire. I don't know if I got him. I did get him nice.
Now, boys and girls, this is why you don't side mount your run cam. It's because I can't see shit like that. I'm going to count it because he said he got it, but I don't know who the hell he shot because I can't see him.
You okay?
Nice. Put your guys' name on, okay?
Spencer always has been more of a defensive player compared to the rest of us. He's not as aggressive, but he's able to hang back and get those kills regardless. Up next here, we have footage from our King of the Hill-like mode, so you're going to see the first round and the second round. Once again, Matt and I are on the opposite team, so this is Dragons versus Nomads.
Hit! Get it, Aiden. Wrong one, wrong one! Wrong one! Wrong one! Other one, other one! What? Other one, we're blue, motherfucker, we're blue! Yeah, it has to go up! Why'd you pull it down? Blue has to be up!
Can we all just agree that Aiden is the best airsofter ever? From that slide to pulling the wrong flag. He doesn't explain anything and then just gets shot and leaves. Just 10 out of 10. Now I purposely left an elongated part in my video because, let's face it, this is a great song and I'm going to do it again.
Oh, sorry.
Something that's funny that I'm noticing is that Spencer currently has 4 kills, and I was 3 of them.
Hit!
Okay, now he's killed me 4 fucking times. This isn't funny anymore, Spencer.
Blue needs to be up. Blue's up now. We're good.
This shot is a little bit difficult to tell, but if you pay attention, you can see his BB bounce off of this player's dump pouch. Whether the player felt or not is one thing, however, there is evidence here of a kill. Remember that a hit to your gear or person, doesn't matter where, is a kill. Now this is the player that Spencer just shot that I showed you guys. Because he didn't call it, it doesn't mean he's cheating. Once again, it hit his dump pouch, which is connected to his bag. There's practically no way he would have felt that, let alone heard it while running. But I am not going to count it as a death towards Spencer's KD because this player should have been eliminated before.
You didn't. I think that was a dry fire, but I'll take it. Shoot again. Shoot again, quick. All right, there we go. Yeah. Good job.
Spencer, I swear to God, if you kill me again.
Most I think I come down this side.
Fuck you, Spencer. This is my channel, not yours. Greatest airsofter of all time, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you, it's... Somebody get this man a reward. Okay, you would have already seen it on your screen by now, but at this rate, I'm gonna go back through this entire video and edit a separate kill counter just for me, because Jesus fucking Christ. Fuck you, Spencer! Well, here's something that's a little cool. There's Hunter. Hunter doesn't play very aggressive when we go out. He usually stays back a little bit too, but I'm happy to see him kind of push and spawn a little bit. Oh, fuck, he's gone. Ha! Fuck you! We kill traded, pussy. Well, Spencer absolutely destroyed me that game, so kudos to him, I guess. But guys, that is going to do it for the Milwaukee videos. Hope you all did enjoy. You just witnessed, between this video and my previous two videos, every single kill from the three of our perspectives. Hope you guys did enjoy. Leave a like, comment what you think down below. We're going to be getting into some Nashville content here very shortly. I am super excited. By the time this video goes live, which is Christmas Day, we wouldn't have actually been in Nashville yet. I'm probably going to take a week break after this video, so my next video will most likely not be up until the 8th of January, just to make sure I have enough time to upload all my footage and edit it properly. But I hope you all enjoy the holidays, and I'll see you guys in the next one.